Every morning you have two options. Go to sleep with your dreams and go for it. Forget plan B is to take your exam and work without all the precautions to grow. The mind has a limit, think. When you start running your mind that says stop, you are tired, you have to beat your mind. It is your mind telling you it is impossible, you can't. Practice is the only thing you can do to improve yourself at something. You can never climb the ladder of success with both hands in your pocket. If you don't trust yourself, how will others trust you? If I can see it and believe it, I can achieve it. People who want to succeed do things that are easy, but when things get difficult, they give up. When I made up my mind that I want to make a name for myself in bodybuilding, people laughed at me, but I proved everyone wrong. You too can make a name like me. Always believe in yourself. Everything is hard to start, but not impossible. What I know is, first of all, make a goal, because when you see it, you will want to achieve it. When you don't know what you want to be in life, all your hard work is in vain. Your journey should be different. If you look at the lives of successful people, they all did not do the same thing. They did different things. I don't leave this place until I finish my work. Stop crying. Don't say, why is this happening to me? I can't. It's too hard. How to do it? If you give yourself these excuses, you'll never move forward. Difficult situations come in life. Your journey may not be as you thought, but this is the reality of life. Move forward. My pursuit of success doesn't work unless you practice it. If you want to be successful, make friends who think like you, not those who hug you all the time because you can't get ahead. The more knowledge you have, the more you can use your skills. If you have to become like others, then what is the purpose of your birth? Money never buys happiness. Right now I have $50 million, and I'm as happy as I was with $48 million. To me, life is the name of constant hunger. Life is only to exist. It is not to survive, but to move forward, achieve something, and conquer. Never follow the crowd to go where there is none. Hard work is the mother of fortune. Sleeping early and waking up early, doing hard work, and then making it famous. Your failure and hard work only make you stronger. When you go through a difficult situation and you decide to go ahead, it gives you courage. Never be afraid to lose. Dreams are only for dreamers and achievers. There are no shortcuts here. You have to work hard to achieve everything.